can't say I ever remember doing a vehicle like this before as far as video goes here at Unique, especially in classics. Interesting car. And my Dodge experts, make sure you comment down below. We're going to go with what I found out about this car. So 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer two-door hardtop. Now the badging on this one up front, you just see the Royal. It's my understanding the early cars only had the Royal insignia, and it wasn't until later that the Royal Lancer and both emblems were added. The other thing came across is the engine in this car. 270 V8, and that would be a Red Ram Hemi engine actually. It's the stamping on the top of the block is D551. We're going to take a look at that here a little bit later. First, let's take a peek at this chrome. Take a look at that front grille, bumper, a lot of bright work up here. Kind of that salmon and black color with a white roof. Automatic transmission paired up with that 270 V8. Now, I believe it would be a Power Flight automatic. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the underside, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the wide white walls, wheel covers. And don't forget, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call into that number. All right, take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. And you are not going to come across a lot of these at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Two-tone interior, black cloth, white vinyl, very stock-looking dash. We're going to get around to the driver's side, fire this up, let you hear it run. Take a look at that engine bay, but first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Come around to the rear of this, take a look at the rear chrome, taillights, that tricolor. Really cool on this mid-50s car, very fitting. A little bit of pitting on some of these pieces back here. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through the pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, close up to the wheels, wheel covers. You'll be able to see the tread. Interior. Like I said, the stamping on that engine. Let's take a look down the driver's side. You're going to find a small, maybe real small nick or two here or there. Bottom of the door's got a real small one. Yes, but again, overall, this car shows well. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Fun car. Free of rips and tears and holes, that rear seat. Door panels. Here's this interior, has all been redone as far as the fabric goes. Vinyl. Very nice shape. Headliner looking good. All right, I have had the wipers working. Did not get the radio to power up. Appeared the gauges were working. I want to show you this gear select lever. Check this out. Neutral's right there. Up is reverse. Down is low and drive. And again, I believe 2-speed Power Flight. So it would be paired up with that V8 underneath it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It is a 6-volt system. You notice by how it cranks over, they don't spin quite like 12-volt will, but fires right up. Fuel gauge appears to work. Amp meter. Here's your oil pressure. Temp gauge. Now it was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Like I said, it did have the wipers working, did not get the radio to power up. This thing purr. Door closes nicely. There you get an idea how it sounds. Very smooth, nothing crazy over the top as exhaust goes. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's open this hood. Again, just take a look at the bright work and chrome on this thing. Okay, let me pause this, get the hood open, let's check it out. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood. Very clean and tidy underneath here too. I don't know if you'll be able to see the stamp. Kind of see it right there in the top of the block. There'll be a still picture of that. Like I said, it's an E551 dash engine. Let's take a look at that. You'll be able to see it in the still pictures. My research stated that was a 270, and I believe a 2-barrel on it. That's what it's supposed to have. And again, the Dodge experts out there, fill us in a little bit down in the comments. If you had one of these or familiar with them, we don't see them come through here every day. 6-volt system, there's a battery disconnect there also for if you're storing it in between drives. The baby runs smooth. It'll be a fun one to take down the road. 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer 2-door hardtop. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan? Included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we'll assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1955 Dodge Royal. This is an automatic that's actually on the dash. We have a lever mounted to the dash. Reverse, neutral, drive, and low. I cannot see the turn signal indicators, but the turn signals are working and I can hear them as well. We are in drive right now. The blower motor functions on this car. Throttle feels good. Acceleration is what you would expect. Our amp meter is showing just a little on the positive side. Fuel right about half. Oil pressure at 40 pounds per square inch. Temperature about a third of the way up the gauge. And it has been running long enough to get warm. Black and white with chrome on the inside. And a sort of a pink shade with black on the outside. Very period correct looking car. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays right where you put it. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the left, however that doesn't affect performance at all. Our brakes are working well. A little squeak on that brake pedal. A little bit of oil at the hinge would probably take care of that. Car corners as you would expect. Doesn't lean too much. Kick down is working on that automatic. Very stylish car. You don't see a lot of these cars, especially in this good a condition. Speedometer working great. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.